Hello children, welcome to our class 6th Science, Chapter 9 Plants, Parts and Functions. Today topic is Activity 5 Types of Venation. What is venation? The arrangement of veins in the lamina is called venation. There are different types of venation are there. Observe the venation of the leaves that you collected. Now compare them with the venations of the leaves shown in figure 6. Record your observations in table 4 which has given in your textbook. Parallel venation, reticulated venation. Now compare the results obtained in table 2 with table 4. What type of roots are there in plants having parallel venation in their leaves? Parallel venation. In the leaves of grass, the veins are parallel to one another. This is parallel venation. What is reticulate venation? If the design is net-like or web-like on both sides of midrib, the venation is reticulate venation. What is the difference between reticular venation and parallel venation? Reticular venation, presence of interconnected veins which form a web-like network. Parallel venation, presence of parallelly running secondary veins to central. Reticular venation occurs in dicots. Parallel venation occurs in monocots. Reticular venation occurs in mango, hibiscus, ficus, etc. Parallel venation occurs in banana, bamboo, wheat, grasses, maize, etc. What type of roots are there in plants having parallel venation in their leaves? The leaves of coconut trees have parallel venation and the tree has fibrous roots. What type of roots are there in plants having web-like venation in their roots, in their leaves? Carrots have tap roots and their leaves have reticulate venation. Is there any relation between venation and root system? The veins in plants with fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf, which is called parallel venation. In plants that have tap roots, the veins from a net-like design on both sides of the leaf, which is called reticulate venation. The relation between types of leaf venation and type of root is the plant having leaves with reticulate venation has tap roots. For example, sunflower plant. The plant having leaves with parallel venation have fibrous roots. For example, wheat. Is there any relation between venation and root system? Yes, we can recognize leaves without seeing them. You can look for the type of roots of the plant and identify the type of leaf. If the plant has fibrous roots, then its leaves have parallel venation. And if the plant has tap roots, then its leaves have reticulate venation. Leaf venation, it refers to the arrangement of the veins in a leaf. Parallel, pinnate, palmate. Parallel venation. Veins run parallel to each other from the base to the apex or from the midrib to the margin. Netted venation. Veins branch out repeatedly and form a network over the blade. Netted venation includes pinnate venation and palmate venation. you will see that the plants with the taproot system have leaves with web-like or reticular venation, and plants with fibrous roots have parallel venation. These are the different types of venation: pinnate, reticate, palmate and parallel. Thank you, my dear children.